Hi, what is going on, guys? Today we are here at the Pebble Beach Concourse, and we are here at the Lamborghini house here alongside Pebble Beach, and I'm gonna give you guys a little walkthrough of what it's like of the complete VIP life here at Monterey Car Week. Starting off, we have a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, lovely color right here. Then we have their Urus, very casual spec, and then we have the new Evo Roadster. Really nice wheels combo there. Now if we bring it around over here, we have a livery Huracan Evo, the GT Celebration right here with this livery. And then we also have a track car. And the cool thing about this track car is that they actually painted clear coat on top of all the race damage, the little race tire wear and everything like that that's picked up. So it's actually just, it's not going anywhere. Although this little thing might. But we have this sitting in the front. Come into here. Right in here we have a room full of a VR simulator. You could run through and spec out your own Lamborghini. And then on this side you have the full-on simulator, triple monitor setup. That's gaming setup goals. What's up? Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Can I get a picture?
Yeah, dude, let's do it. Carrying back on. We're gonna follow me over here. Right over there, we have a really cool design Lamborghini Aventador S. You check out this livery on the side. Look at that. I love the paint splatter mesh. All right, so we can follow our way in. So we have the lounge at Monterey. Obviously the garden setup is amazing. We have little lights displayed faintly that you can see, red, white, that are projecting. So I'm sure at night this place's atmosphere is on top. Let's go walking. Wow. It's the same font as the SVJ, 1963, 2019. Let's go see what's down here. Huracan Evo. We actually haven't been down here yet, so I have no idea what to expect. Huracan Evo Spider.
Residential?
That's sick.
So, and infrastructure. So like all of that.
Massage chair over there? Massage chair. I have to try that. In here we have a specking room where you could spec out the car with all the different colors. Have a screen projected for that. Look at all the different fabrics, textures.
And all the paint codes here.
Oh my god, balloon white?
Grecian Telesto.
Yo. That's so cool. This house is massive. Because there's so many rooms, it just carries on. And you got a little Urus on top of the fireplace. Come along in. This is like my dream mansion setup that projects out into the backyard. Welcome to the setup. Pick one of these up. They have white couches, white furniture, all
Bougie couches just set out in the backyard.
Like, spreads out. Holy cow, the garden goes all the way to over there.
Oh, yo, I didn't even see that.
Yeah,
all the way back there.
All the way around. We can go check it out. While I feast on some authentic Lamborghini dessert. Now the coolest thing is that this mansion looks over the entire Pebble Beach Concourse. That is the official 2019 Pebble Beach Concourse with all the cars, the competition, everything right behind us. I don't even want to know how much a view like that can cost. It's just absolutely crazy. Everything's all white furniture now. Let's go explore more of the garden, I guess.
And hashtag since we made it possible.
I mean, that's why we're here. Is this supposed to be a fire pit? Oh my god.
Fire pit.
With
a magazine on it. Dang.
Holy cow.
And then the Lamborghini garden.
Look at this garden.
Look at that. Just. Bruh. With the bougie bushes. Oh, that's cool. You can like line it up.
Yeah, Lamborghini logo displayed everywhere. It is really cool when you line it up. Over here is the dining area. with a, I don't even know what inch flat
That's like
screen.
60 something, maybe 70.
Yeah, it's
Holy
crazy.
smoke.
Full glass table, full dining setup.
Oh my goodness.
Holy cow. This is like Kombucha King dining setup.
Oh my goodness. Oh, there's Chucho. You got ice cream. Wow. I don't know what's back here. I don't know. Okay.
More places.
Yeah, we haven't even been here yet, so.
I believe that was the kitchen over.
Yeah, that was definitely the kitchen. We're not supposed to be back there, but anyway.
We're gonna check out the $30,000 Lamborghini massage chair that they have in here. So I have no idea what experience I'm about to get, but it's gonna be wild.
Everything out of your pockets.
Your belongings over here.
In your bag.
Got a lot of stuff. Yeah.
This is
It's
wild.
like a 5-year-old.
Yeah.
Like a kid again.
Yeah. I'll be in here all day. Oh. This is amazing.
I had to restrain myself from not giving like a 2-year-old. Oh, here.
Is this your first time driving a Lamborghini?
Doing all the feet, doing the back and the shoulders at the same time, all at once.
Holy cow. So what we have here is a $30,000 massage chair. Alright, well, anyways guys, that was a tour of the Lamborghini mansion here at Pebble Beach. Just a little insight on everything in there. Here at Car Week, they have other houses. They have the Bentley house, the Mercedes house, Porsche house, and other stuff like that. But I must say that the Lamborghini one is the coolest by far because it's Lambos, and they have freaking Lamborghini themed massage chairs in it.
And they have this.
Yeah, and they have little model cars and stuff like that. So
Hey, I'm not brown, I'm white.
okay. But anyways,
Bye guys, I will see you next year or hopefully sooner.
anyways, thank you guys for watching. It's been JackUltraMotive signing the video off. Ultra.